How to fix Facebook video lagging. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your Play Store application. Tap on the search bar and search for Facebook application. Just to make sure we have an updated version of the Facebook application. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So we're going to go back and make a long press on the Facebook application itself. Then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and clear the cache, then tap on OK. Now you can relaunch the Facebook application, and if that does not fix the issue, you can just make a long press on power button, then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your video lagging issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.